and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today we're at a development in Worcester called Pear Tree Fields, which is a beautiful semi-rural development, and we're going to be touring this show home right here, which is called the Mayne. So come and take a look inside. As you enter the house, you come into this really large and spacious hallway, which has enough room for a decorative side table or large pieces of art. And just over here, we've got the living room. If you're a fan of open plan living, then you'll love the layout of this property. The whole of the downstairs is completely open, which makes the home feel really spacious. In this section of the downstairs, we've set it out as the living room, and it's a really versatile space because you can lay it out exactly how you want. It also feels really bright because of this large window at the front of the property. Moving further into the downstairs of the house, we come into the family area. We've currently got this set up with additional seating, which makes it another great space to relax after a busy day. One of my favourite parts of the downstairs is these bifold doors. Bifolds are becoming really popular, and it's no surprise why. Not only do they let in so much natural light, but they're also perfect in the spring and summertime. Just across from the family area, we've got the dining area, which is the perfect place to spend quality time with your family. Moving over to the other side of the downstairs, we end up in the kitchen. As you can see, this is a huge space, and we've designed this in quite a modern way with white quartz worktops and dark matte cupboards. But if this isn't to your preference, you can change things up with our options and upgrades products. This kitchen in particular has integrated appliances as well as a 5-burner hob and plenty of cupboard space, so you'll never run out of storage. And finally, just off the kitchen, we've also got this handy utility room, which is always a great feature to have. There's a door just here which provides additional access in and out of the property. As you head out of the kitchen, you can use this door to get back into the hallway, which takes you to the rest of the downstairs. Back into the hallway, and just to the left of me, we've got the WC, which is perfect if you're spending time downstairs. And we've also got a storage cupboard just here, which runs right under the stairs, so you can pop away all of your belongings and keep your house nice and tidy. And then the final thing on this floor is the study, so come and take a look in here. This room is really spacious and would make the perfect home office, which is currently how we've got it set up. But it's a really flexible space, so if that doesn't work for you, you could maybe use it as a games room or even a children's playroom. Now that we've toured the whole of the ground floor, let's take a look upstairs. Before we head into the 4 double bedrooms, let's check out one of the most impressive parts of the house, which is the landing. The ceilings here are super high, and we've got this statement floor-to-ceiling window just behind me, which lets in so much natural light, as you can see. And then just over here, we've got the main bedroom. This room is a really good size, and there's enough space for different types of furniture. So we've currently got a dressing table over here, and also some built-in wardrobes over here, which is great for putting all of your clothes away. And just over here, you may have noticed that there's a balcony, and this is a really unique feature as not a lot of homes across the UK have a balcony off the bedroom. The main bedroom also has an ensuite, which is perfect for getting ready in the morning. And just like the rest of the house, you can personalise this room, so if you're not keen on the tiles, you can choose some other ones from our options and upgrades products. As you head out of the main bedroom, just across the landing, we've got the 2nd double bedroom, which is perfect for if you've got guests or children. The storage in this bedroom is just as good as the main bedroom. We've got some built-in wardrobes over here, and there's also an additional storage cupboard over here. A really cool feature of this bedroom is the Jack and Jill bathroom. So it features a large shower and also connects you to another double bedroom. This bedroom, just like the others, has plenty of space, so you can put whatever furniture you want in it, like a wardrobe or even a desk. As you head back onto the landing, you'll find another storage cupboard just here, and then the main family bathroom is next to it. So what I really like about this bathroom is you've got a bath, but you've also got a separate shower, making this a really flexible space when you're getting ready in the morning or getting ready for bed. As you head out of the main family bathroom, just to the side of it is the fourth final bedroom. Now, we've currently got this set out as a children's room, but if that doesn't suit you and you'd prefer an upstairs office instead of the one downstairs, then you could do that. Also, if storage has ever been a problem for you in the past, you won't find that within this home, because as well as all the other storage cupboards around the house, we've got an additional one in this bedroom. Thanks for taking a look around our main show home. To find out any more information, please click the link in the description below.